Welcome to the wonderful world of Roblox, and here I am, Pugs for Days, once again. Anyways, welcome back to the wonderful world of Roblox, and here we are. I got a text message from one of my friends saying that I should try this, but I don't think she's telling the truth. She says there's an amazing tunnel inside this wall, but I don't believe it. Even though Twisted Pandora tried it, I think it's because of this VIP server. Whoa, this is it! The actual tunnel.
Where did you find that?
Inside the photo.
Inside the photo.
Oh my god, it is true. My friend wasn't lying. Whoa, let's go in again.
And then swim to the back.
Holy crapping ball. Whoa. Wow, that was amazing. Why can't I do it again? Come on, I really want to do it again. Whoa, I just opened it. But I don't know how to jump back in. No. Whoa, I can't believe the secret was true. And here we are, players. We are back in the amazing Flood Escape 2 secret tunnel. And I jumped back out. No! Come on! That was worth so long, and I wasted it and went the wrong way. And we're back into the...
What does that do?
Adrian!
Why would...
Anyways, this is the amazing Flood Escape 2 secret that I've been dying to see. For myself, of course. I can't believe this actually works.
Why do you like that better?
I can't believe the secret is real!
Is that
Whoa-wee!
that laptop? iPad?
Whoa-wee! This is new! What happened here? Whoa!
Like that. Who's fighting?
Oh yeah, who's farting? Anyways, this is most amazing. You are my viewers, right?
Yeah.
Wow! Amazing!
What's that person next to you?
There's a person.
What is that emote?
Whoa!
What's his
name? This is like the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
Hey, look. Go get a pillow over there and the couch. Hey, look.
I've never seen anything like it. Let's find our way back.
Just go get it.
Where were you? You were out so long.
Why are you using the tablet mode?
I'm not sure. Because I just wanted to jump in.
Oh yeah, but then Ian doesn't have a device.
Too bad.
But it's okay.
Because he can't play.
Like Papa Joe? No. Okay.
Whoa, okay, I found the tunnel.
Why don't you play
That can lead me back.
build a boat?
Ooh.
Send me.
This is not my account.
Wait, are you playing so I can join you.
Yeah. Jenica doesn't let me use my own account. So
What? Yeah, cause you forgot your password? Yeah.
So she doesn't let me. I'm sad.
Well, you know it's recorded cause oh well.
And we're back. What? That was an amazing trip down there. Oh yeah, I forgot to show my person. Sorry.